everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my Walmart beauty box. Now, I signed up for Walmart Beauty years ago. I used to do it all the time. Loved it, but then I kind of got overwhelmed with it. But now since I'm kind of getting into trying new products, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go back and give it a whirl. So, Walmart Beauty is a subscription box. It's only they say it's free, but then you pay $5 for shipping. So, we're just going to say it's $5. And then they send you a seasonal box. So, you guys will be getting a box every single season. But guess what? It is September. It's like the middle of September. And I am getting my summer box. And I know fall starts in like 2 weeks. But they are kind of late. You know what? I'm not making a big deal about it. You know, I'm just happy that I can get some free get some samples. So you guys can sign up for it. It says WalmartBeautyBox.com. You pay $5 and they send you one every season. Sometimes you guys might get it sooner than others. Everybody gets it differently. I don't know if they just do it in a specific order. But I'm pretty excited to see what I got. Last time I got some pretty good things. But yeah, it's just a regular white box. It just says beauty on it with Walmart. And it's got their little symbol on it. But let's just dig in and see what we got. And voila. So it says, hello sunshine, rate and review this season's products. If you go to a survey, you can enter up to win a $100 gift card. Not really excited about here, but here are the items that I got. So they did give me a sample of the Olay Daily Facial Wipes. You get one dry cloth in here, so that's an okay deal. I'm not very excited about what I see in this box. I mean, is it worth $5? Probably. Last time I got some really good stuff. Here we got some Tresemme dry shampoo. So if you guys ever need like a little sample, now this is great to have in case you like need it in your car or something, or if you guys really use it, but I thought this is kind of cool. I don't really use dry shampoo. I should every once in a while. This is something I feel like I get all the time, and I have used this before. It's the Corelle Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. Now you actually get some really a good decent amount. So this is something you just apply after you take your shower before you put your towel on. You just apply it. It's basically just kind of like lotion. So I have used this before and I like it. Would I buy it? Probably not, because I get a lot of these as samples. So there's that. And then we get one razor. This is the Intuition Fab Razor. Now I have not yet used this Chic razor before. I've gotten it from couponing, but I haven't yet used them. But this is a razor I probably would use. I like the grip to it. I mean, it looks like it's got a good grip. So this is something I would use. These razors usually are about like, if you go to CVS, you can probably get one pack of these and maybe like a refill for like $10-15 maybe. I can't remember off the top of my head. But you get one razor, so there's that. Now here is a Feeling Beautiful Detoxifying Charcoal Black Sugar Mud Mask. Like, I can just feel it. Like, it's all like gooey inside. Now this does look like it's a full sample. So if you went to Walmart, you would probably get this for a couple bucks. So if you guys want to do that. And then I got Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. Removes 2 times the deep pore clogs. It's a nose strip, which is something kind of cool. And then they give you some coupons, so I'm going to share with you guys on that. So I ended up getting clogged pores, like some little Biore thing, and then I got a Chic Intuition little, this is pretty much garbage, is what it is. No coupons or anything, but I am very disappointed in this box. Like, this is supposed to be a summer box. Summer's already over. But other than that, I got 6 items for $5. I wouldn't say this is the greatest deal this month, this season, but I got the 3 samples, or the 3 little samples here, and then I got the 2 samples here, and then I got the razor. The razor kind of makes up for it. Is this worth, would I say this is worth $5? Probably not. Would I still get this again? Yes, I'm still going to get it again because I like to see what I get. Plus, I like to get mail. And sometimes you get some really good coupons in there. But you guys might have gotten something different. It all depends on when you guys get yours, if you guys subscribe to it. But I would say this is a flop for this season, and this is supposed to be summer, so summer was a flop. If you guys have gotten a Walmart box recently, let me know what you guys got. But yeah, other than that, that is my Walmart Beauty unboxing. Kind of disappointed. I was really excited for this, but you know what? I'm not complaining. It was $5, so you know, $5. So you basically just pay for the razor, and then you get all this stuff free. Is basically what you're doing. But again, if you guys enjoy my Walmart Beauty unboxing, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys this fall, late fall, early winter, for another Walmart Beauty box. Again, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.